Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. Today we're diving into the game-changing book, Hyperfocus, How to Be More Productive in a World of Distraction by Chris Bailey. Ready to supercharge your focus and productivity? Let's get started. Chapter 1, The Two Modes of Attention. First, let's talk about the two modes of attention. Bailey introduces the concepts of hyperfocus and scatterfocus. Hyperfocus is the intense concentration on a single task, while scatterfocus is the deliberate mind-wandering that fosters creativity and problem-solving. Mastering both modes will make you more productive and creative. Chapter 2, Entering Hyperfocus Mode. So, how do we enter hyperfocus mode? It starts with choosing the right task. Pick one that's important, meaningful, and aligns with your goals. Next, eliminate external distractions by creating a focused environment. Turn off notifications, wear noise-canceling headphones, or find a quiet space to work. Then, set a timer for a focused work session and fully commit to the task at hand. Chapter 3, The Power of Scatterfocus. But don't underestimate scatterfocus. This mode allows your mind to wander and connect the dots between unrelated ideas. To practice scatterfocus, find a low-stimulation environment like going for a walk in nature or sitting in a quiet room. Let your mind drift and explore new possibilities. This is when breakthrough ideas often emerge. Chapter 4, Managing Your Attention. Managing your attention is key. Bailey recommends following the 3 attentional zones: the productive zone, the distracting zone, and the residual zone. Schedule focused blocks of time for the productive zone and use downtime for scatterfocus. Minimize time spent in the distracting zone, where you're more likely to fall prey to unproductive tasks and interruptions. Chapter 5, Ending Technology Distractions. Technology can be a huge distraction, but it doesn't have to be. To regain control, set boundaries, and be intentional about your tech use. Customize notifications, establish device-free times, and use website blockers or apps like Freedom to help maintain focus. Chapter 6, The Importance of Breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining productivity. Bailey suggests following the 20 to 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This helps reduce eye strain and gives your brain a chance to recharge. Also try the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Chapter 7, Mindfulness and Meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can also boost your focus. Start with a simple breathing exercise, like focusing on your breath for a few minutes each day. This trains your brain to better control your attention, making it easier to enter hyperfocus mode when needed. Chapter 8, The Power of Rituals. Establishing rituals can help you transition between modes more easily. For example, a morning routine can set the tone for a focused day, while an evening ritual can signal it's time to unwind and recharge. Find what works best for you and make these rituals a consistent part of your day. Chapter 9, Your Energy Levels Matter. Don't forget that your energy levels matter too. Maintaining a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can all have a positive impact on your ability to focus. Pay attention to your energy peaks and troughs throughout the day and schedule your most demanding tasks during your most energetic periods. Chapter 10, Reflect and Adjust. Finally, regularly reflect on your attention management practices and adjust as needed. Keep track of your progress and identify any areas where you might be struggling. Experiment with different techniques and find the combination that works best for you. And there you have it. By mastering hyperfocus and scatterfocus, managing your attention, and implementing these powerful strategies, you can dramatically boost your productivity and creativity in a world full of distractions. Now go out there and conquer your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Drop a comment below to let us know how you're implementing these strategies in your own life. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.